okay. We was doing a little Keisha Brady, but you know what? She's giving me Sophista Ratchet. On a Sunday. What is up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to another review, baby. Before we get into this, do consider hitting that subscribe button, share the video with your family and friends, but most importantly, drop your girl a comment down below. And guess what I'm bringing back? Them 2-for-1 specials, honey. Yes, I am. I picked up 2 items, 2 new units by Outre, and part of the daily wig collection. Now, so let's go ahead and get into Miss Becca, bam, and Shaleese, bam, bam. Yes, coming to the stage first is Becca in the color number 2, part of Outre's daily wig collection. There are no ear tabs in this unit. However, you do have 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps, and of course that elastic band, baby, for a comfortable fit. So I don't think I'm gonna wear this with no hair out. I think I am gonna pull out some of my hair, and I think I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'm going with the side part. Alright, check it. Y'all just gonna have to excuse some spots on my shirt. It is what it is. I was at home chillaxing. So I did go in with very, very minimal heat. I had my hot comb set to 1. I did decide to go ahead and pluck and open the part. Tread lightly, because baby, trust me, you will pluck a bald spot. All I wanna know even though you think you know what's all I wanna show is my affection. Lose myself inside her memory. She ain't even checking me. Oh, well, there's no chance. Honey, good sugar, chocolate, something. Kiss the weather, something. Flavor weather. Okay, Outre, I see what you did there. Yeah, so first impression, first thoughts on the style. I think this is so timeless, so classy. You know, this is going to give you that everyday look. I'll show you guys what it looks like with makeup, but I don't need lashes. You don't need makeup for this. It is just such a natural looking bob. I did have to use some of my hair for the leave out. Nice cap fit. I did have some issues with the texture. You know, she is a little non-movemental. You know, and this was kind of giving me a little Keisha Brady, okay? We was going the Brady route for a minute there. But yeah, honey. Okay. I could deal with this. Hello. Alright. So just like with Becca, I did flatten the top on this unit as well. This is Shaleese in the color number 2. You see the texture, sis, okay? Tread lightly with the heat. It looks like if you go too high on this unit, it will melt. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into her, baby, because whoo child. And yep, you were thinking it. She is giving that outre Nisha vibe. This is Shaleese in the color number 2. 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. And of course, baby, elastic band, baby, sewn into the cap for what? What? A comfortable fit. Not using the elastic band. So it will have to sit behind my hairline again. Right there. Okay. So this is Miss Shaleese, straight out of the pack, pleatity plopped on my head. I have not finessed anything on there. And once again, your girl's got a 5 head. So I really wanted to do that Farrah Fawcett type of vibe in the front. But I think I'm gonna go with a side part again. Yeah, we doing a side part. Oh my God. Is she worth it? Is she worth it? She put her thing down. I had to flip it and reverse it. Yes. I do want to give a shout out to Delightful Candles for sending out this beauty, baby. This is in the scent Naked Paradise, and honey, I have been smelling it non-stop. Definitely has like a fruity scent to it. So, baby, yes, we have to set the ambiance. Set the ambiance. So, big thank you to her. This is 100% soy wax candle. And let me tell you, the whole house was smelling lovely just from this one candle. So definitely hit her up. I'll have all her information in the description box down below. Also hit up her Instagram. Please send her some words of encouragement, some support. Purchase, baby. That's what we always want. If you are a small business owner and you're looking for some support, baby, you want to get the word out, hit your girl up. Info, description box. Clickety click. Nail. Quick final thoughts on both of these units, part of Outre's daily wear collection, and baby, under $40. Quick slay out the dough. So you know, I think across the board for both units, cap fit perfect, fits like a glove. There are no ear tabs in both, so you can plan accordingly, baby. Slay accordingly. You know, if you want to tinge to the left or tinge to the right, or even tinge to the middle. You can do what you do when you do what you do. I did do a right side part. I think they both came out wonderfully. Texture, chef's kiss, because Outre nailed it. No luster, no shine. It is thick. It is, you know, she's got some oomph to her, if you know what I'm saying. You know, so she definitely has a very natural vibe to her. And guess what? No tangling. No tangling. No tangling. I vigorously brush these units just to see, you know, how they're gonna behave over time. And this one has held up really nicely. If I wasn't for sure, I would think this was a human hair blend because this is just on point. Ooh, I am seriously sold. Even with the fact that I had to use some leave out for both of these, I'm digging them. Now, if I had to choose between this one and Becca, Becca. Surprisingly enough, I am digging Becca more than Shaleese. I don't know why, girl. I don't know. I think when it comes to Becca, that unit, you can wear it no makeup. You can wear it with or without makeup. If you are in a rush, 5 a.m. hits, you're out the door, bam. You don't need nothing else. I do feel like with this one, you know, this is, you gotta sex this one up. You know, you gotta, you know, this one definitely has a va-va-va-boom factor. And if you aren't careful and you comb this unit out or you finger comb it out too much, you're gonna look like a poodle, sis. You know, so you want to tread lightly on how you finger comb this. But I think this looks really freaking good. Oh my God. We gotta clap and we gotta do snap for Outre. Yes, baby. Yes. So if you're interested in checking out Miss Becca or Shaleese, I will have a direct link in the description box down below. Big thank you to me, baby. So let me give myself a hug for picking up these units. Most importantly, big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Do consider hitting that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Ring the bell so you stay notified. And of course, drop your girl comments down below. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.